back to my channel. So this is our part 2 of making 36 volt and 7.5 Ah battery in Highland case. So for electric cycle we are going to make. So in previous video we seen up to the part of series and parallel connection. Now today we are going to see the BMS and packing. So guys, here is our negative terminal and here is our positive terminal. Yeah, let me show you. Those who guys are missed my previous video, just go and watch. After that you can watch this, okay? Then only it will be understandable. See guys, here 35 voltage. Okay, this is our negative and this is our positive. So we'll mention here, this is our negative. So for negative I am taking 0, marking as a 0 here. Open. Okay, 0, and here is the 1. Come closer a little bit. This is 0 and this will be our first series, and following that this will be our second series, and this will be third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 will be our positive. Okay, I will show you. Just focus on multimeter also. See guys, here I am keeping in 0. Okay, 0 is our negative, and in 1 I am just keeping the multimeter. Let's see, 3.5 volt is showing 3.5 volt, and again I am keeping on 0 and 2 is showing 7, and again 0 to 3, 10, 0 to 4, 14, 0 to 5, 17, 0 to 6, 21, 0 to 7, 24, following that up to 0 to 9 like 31, and 0 to 10, 35. So total our battery pack has 35. That means this will be like 36 voltage battery pack. So completed, right? So we have to connect our BMS in battery. So this is a BMS. I am using Dali BMS 10S. So total here 10 series will be there. So this is a 10S BMS. So for that, this is a wiring kit.
60.
So this is our negative of BMS. Okay, this is our 0. Following that, this will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3. Okay, so we have to fix this negative on 0, and following negative, next one, this will be on 1, and this will be on second. Okay, how we are going to fix this? We can fix using salting machine, but see guys, we should not use solder over on battery, because it will get melt and some problem in future. So we have to avoid that using soldering on directly on battery. So for that just a minute, excuse me. Okay, any reply? Who?
What are you making? What are you testing for?
Who? Name?
Apollo Folk.
I didn't got a question. Come again.
What are you testing for?
I'm testing for BMS connection. Yeah. See guys, I think you missed our last video. Okay. Till now we have completed a series connection and parallel connection. So for making a battery pack 636 volt. So for that I'm using this BMS connection. So for BMS connection, first of all we have to test which terminal is positive and negative. Okay, so this will be our negative terminal, and following that these and all positive series connection. So I have tested here. So I have tested and marked 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 means in BMS connection negative will be there, that we have to connect in 0. Okay, following that we have to connect this, we have to consider this will be our first series. So first series we have to connect in first. So I have marked here. Okay, I think you got it, right? So guys, for that I'm not going to use solder over on here. So we'll attach a nickel strip here. We'll do spot welding. On the spot welding we can do soldering. Okay, I will show you. No guys, this is not a bomb, this is a battery pack for electric cycle. Yeah, this will be a case, Highland case. So we are going to make a battery pack using this type of raw material. This is a cells. Okay, funny question. Okay, let's back to the work. This video will helpful for you in making battery pack like 3 volt to 12 volt, 24, 36. This is a 36 volt. So up to 96 volt you can make a battery pack using this type of method. Okay. So for project purpose also we used to make this type of batteries. This is for commercial purpose. This we are going to use in cycle for waterproof, complete waterproof. So guys, we have to spot welding the nickel strip wherever I have mentioned here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have to mount the spot welding here. So like this. So come closer a little bit. I'm doing a spot welding here. Okay, we should not do soldering over on battery. That is not a proper way to connect the batteries together. Any other questions till now? So guys, if you have any queries, then do comment and let me know. The main purpose of making a live video is interaction with our subscribers. So guys, as you can see here, I have spot welded here. We're using a nickel strip. So on 0, this is 2 and this is 4, this is 6 and this is 8 and this is 10. So following that, we have to do spot welder over here. After that, we can do a soldering. Okay. I guess you guys are understand these steps.
How do you learn this?
It take me like 6 years for learning this. From my college days in university, I studied in welding university. Those time I bunked the class, I cut the class and I learned this type of activity in my project works.
Did you go to MIT?
No, but I do project for MIT. MIT students hire me for projects. Go-kart, electric go-kart, Supra, I used to do.
Hi Sadik bro.
Hi, name?
J. Subalan.
Hi brother Jesu Balan. I think he is my college junior. Yeah, we have this is a battery pack.
What is that between? I'm curious.
Between which one?
This one.
This one. This is a complete battery pack, lithium ion battery pack. This we are going to use in our electric bicycle, 36 volt battery pack. So yeah, I think one of my subscribers has questioned that this is making a bomb or what. Yeah, this will be explosive material if we are not using BMS. Okay, we have to use this BMS. BMS nothing but battery management system. Okay, in each cell there will be a different ampere will be there, this different voltage and different percentage will be there, battery percentage. So this BMS will balance the each series. So here we have a 10 set of series, so we are using 10 series. Okay, this will balance our battery pack. So we have to use this BMS. If we are not using this BMS, sure in future it will be like a mini bomb. Okay, got it. So let me solder here. So come closer. See guys, I am not soldering over on battery. So battery terminal we should not solder. Most of the genius fellows I used to see, they solder over here. We should not solder here. It will melt the separator inside the battery. We have to solder over here. So we also take online and offline class. We teach in Hindi, English and Tamil. If you guys want to learn how to make a battery pack and how to convert your cycle to electric and how to convert your petrol bikes into electric, you can contact us. In proper way we used to teach, okay? So guys, so now the final step of BMS connection here. Yeah, I'm going to connect this negative wire. This black wire is our negative wire. We have to connect in our 0, which I have mentioned here 0. Okay, this will be our negative terminal. Okay, we used to teach you like basic things also in classes, like how to use the multimeter, how to use soldering, how to do cutting, welding work and all. Any comments, any question?
No.
So here I am connecting my 5th wire with the 5th series. This is our battery 5th series, and following that next wire will be our 6th one. So I'm connecting in battery 6th series. Using this BMS, the purpose of using this BMS is like it will increase the battery life. This battery can you can use up to 4 to 5 years. After that, maybe a 1 or 2 series will get damaged, like battery performance will get low. So we can identify which cell has been dead, so we can remove that particular cells and we can reuse this battery pack again. So this will be our 9th one, 9th series. Yeah, and final, this will be our 10th. Okay guys, BMS connection has completed now. BMS wiring connection. So in BMS, till now we have connected this 10 wires, right? We have to connect with BMS. Okay, there will be a socket here we have to connect, and this will be like B minus. This we have to attach directly with our battery 0. Okay, battery pack negative, and this positive, sorry, this is P minus will be our um, output negative. Okay, okay guys, so we'll cover this P minus first, and we'll solder here. So instead of soldering we can do here spot welding. Okay, how I will show you. Take a nickel strip. Okay, just peel the wire. I have peeled the wire. Now just attach the nickel strip with the wire like this. Make sure you should not remove in future also. Okay, just tape it on it. We can do here solder also, but solder is not necessary here. Because this wire will get heat. Yeah, now we can do spot welding on battery. Okay, make sure this B minus will be, we have to attach in our battery pack, battery output, and this will be our, from the BMS we will get this output negative.
I recommended to use 1S to 8S voltage tester.
Come again,
Tester.
sorry.
I recommend to use 1S to 8S voltage tester with low voltage protection.
Yeah, that is different. So guys, here we can mount our BMS on 0. So most of the battery pack I used to see there, they used to do here soldering. Soldering is not a good idea. it will melt the separator inside the battery pack. So guys, we have completed here BMS connection. Let's check BMS is providing a output voltage or not. Okay, see here. So I'm going to connect this pin with BMS. Okay guys, BMS connection has completed. Let's check the output. So here is our output positive, and here will be our output negative. Let's check with the multimeter. So I'm keeping here. So see guys, our BMS is working now. So 35.5. So from the BMS, actually what here happen means each cells, each series like 3.7, 3.7, 3.7 it will go. As for now, our battery has 3.5 voltage. Each cell has a 3.5 voltage because the battery has only 60 to 50% charge. Okay, once the charge is complete, like 100%, like 4.2 volt, then our battery, this wire, like this series connection, this will balance the battery pack, and this set of series will get 4.2. Once it will stop the battery, it will cut off the charging. Okay, and for also for discharging also it will cut off the voltage once it go below the 3.2 voltage. Okay, if once 4.2 has reached here, it will stop the charging in this particular wire. Okay, like that it will balance the series connection, balance the battery. Okay, after that it will pass the voltage here. Okay, from here. Okay, this we are getting a BMS input negative, and this will be our BMS output negative. So again I am showing here BMS output negative and battery output positive. So here 35.5 voltage is there. So now we can keep this for charging. It's a safest way to make a battery pack. So don't worry, within 10 minutes I will complete the session here. So guys, for positive also I need a wire. Okay, like this. So for that I'm using this 4 square mm thickness wire. So again we have to connect with nickel strip. Nickel strip is here, and so see guys, I'm not doing any soldering here. I'm using a spot welding machine. So I'm showing how I used to attach the wire with the solder. See, now I used to cover this terminal because while making a battery pack it will be, if it's touch with any cell then we'll get some short circuit here. So whenever I'm making a battery pack, just be careful here. Our concentration should be on making a battery pack here itself. Okay, now we have to, I'm going to attach in battery output positive. Okay, so let me spot welding here over on battery terminal output. So guys, completed our wiring connections also. So this will be our battery two terminals, positive and negative. We have completed. So we have to now tape it. Any comments? Any questions?
No.
Guys, if you have any questions, just raise your voice. Do comment and let me know. So we have completed the battery pack. Okay, till now we have completed battery without case. Now we are going to make a case for this battery pack because it's going to be attached in a cycle, right? For removable, we can swap the battery. So for that we are going to use Highline case. So this battery will perfectly mount on Highline case here like this. See guys. So show this closer. Okay. Actually, my camera is sleeping here, so I wake up.
Sunita Ramachandran, I am trying to call you.
Yeah, I'm little busy now. Right now, I will call you. So yeah. So guys, here is the charging pin. We have to fix here. Charging positive. Charging sorry. What message?
I'm Yanis.
Yeah. Hi Yanis.
Do
I will
you
call
remember me?
Yeah, I remember you. Yeah, I will call you back. Okay. I will call you within 1 hour. Okay. So this will be coming to the video. This will be a positive terminal and this will be a negative terminal. We have to connect with this positive and this negative. Okay. see directly, like using a 1 square mm wire, also thickness wire also enough for the board. So just show this to customer. This case will be like IP67 rated, completely waterproof. If you guys need this type of product, then contact our company, Hello Electric company. Okay, 8056248257. Contact us. Okay, we have completed the charging wire, positive one. Now negative. Again same procedure. Any comments? Okay, so we'll do a soldering here. Show this closer, soldering. Closer. It's clear, right? It's not blurry to our viewers. Okay, yeah, it's perfect now. Okay. Any questions? So far, any question? No, right?
No.
Okay. So guys, for our safety purpose, we have to confirm that this charging wire is not touched with each other. So for that, we have to keep continuity in multimeter, and we have to check this both the pot is not touched. Yeah, it's not touched with each other. So here will be our final wiring connection. Okay, I will explain you again. This will be our positive terminal of output 36 volt, and this will be our negative terminal. Okay, this is LCD. It comes with this island case, 36 volt LCD, positive and negative we have to directly connect with this terminal battery. And this will be a charging port. Here is a charging port. This on off switch is not necessary. This will be like a 12 ampere, we can use for only for 12 ampere. Okay, this is not necessary in right now, so I'm just simply ignoring this wire. Okay, this will be our terminal pins connector. The back side you can see here these pins. So we have to connect here battery positive and battery negative. Again here battery positive with battery negative in order to work this LCD. So I'm peeling the wire. Is it? Yeah. So guys, see here, I'm just cutting here. Is it visible to viewers? I just peel the wire in between the wire, just connecting it like this. You guys use some sleeve, heat sleeve. So I'm doing as soldering here to make this connection strong. Any questions?
No.
Okay. Any product inquiry? Anybody need this type of product, then contact us. We also provide supply the raw material as well as complete battery pack also for project purpose and all. You can do inquire. Okay, entered. Online this battery pack will be like 13,000, 12,000 starting price will be, but for us, if you guys are our subscriber, then we'll provide you in 9,000 discount for our subscribers. And also warranty will be like 3 years warranty. So once again I will make sure that both the connections should not touch with each other. It's fine. So guys, I have connected here positive terminal here over here, and negative terminal we have to connect. here. So guys, I have placed here negative also. We'll do soldering. Yeah, within 15 minutes I will end this session. Just a 15 minutes work is there. Hardly it will take 2 hours to complete a battery pack. So for live view purpose, it's going more than 2 hours. Hmm. Show somewhat clearly from top view. Okay guys, now we have to do the final connection of LCD wire. Again I'm joining here from here over here. Okay, peeling this wire, LCD wire. Let's check. Now let's check whether our LCD is working or not. Light will glow here. So guys, as you can see here down bottom, light is visible, right? Light here, light.
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay, completed. So guys, here completed. Okay. So now we have to properly arrange here. This. Yeah, okay. Here we have to screw here. See, I will show you. This is a complete battery pack. Okay. We have to screw here. Before that, we'll check. Keep keeping multimeter in 200 DC, and this will be our negative and this will be our positive. See here 35 is showing at 35. Now we have to keep in charge up to 42 voltage, so it will be like 100 percentage. Now our battery has only 50 to 60 percentage, so it's showing 35. So this is a proper way to make a battery pack using BMS, and also highlight case is there perfectly for electric cycle complete waterproof. Okay, so in next video I will come up with some new invention, new product. Okay, so till that, bye guys.